Common disease names with pictures. Runny nose. A condition in which the nose produces excessive mucus, often a symptom of allergies or a cold. Example: the person had a runny nose and sneezed frequently, so they took allergy medication to relieve their symptoms. Broken bone. A fracture or break in one of the bones of the body, often caused by an injury or accident. Example: the person fell off their bike and broke their leg, so they had to wear a cast to allow it to heal. Bruise. A discoloration of the skin caused by damage to blood vessels under the skin, often caused by an injury or impact. Example: the person had a bruise on their arm after they accidentally bumped into a table. Sunburn. A condition in which the skin becomes red, painful, and irritated after exposure to the sun's ultraviolet UV rays. Example: the person forgot to apply sunscreen and got a painful sunburn after spending the day at the beach. Chills. A sudden feeling of coldness and shivering, often accompanied by fever or illness. Example: the person had chills and a fever, so they stayed home from work to rest and recover. Backache. Pain or discomfort in the back, often caused by injury, poor posture, or age-related changes. Example: the person had a backache after lifting heavy boxes, so they applied heat and took pain medication to relieve their symptoms. Nausea. A feeling of sickness or queasiness in the stomach, often accompanied by the urge to vomit. Example: the person had nausea and felt dizzy, so they lay down and rested until they felt better. Dizziness. A feeling of lightheadedness or unsteadiness, often accompanied by a loss of balance or fainting. Example: the person had dizziness and felt like they might faint, so they sat down and rested until their symptoms subsided. Flu. A contagious viral infection that causes fever, chills, muscle aches, cough, and other symptoms. Example: the person had the flu and stayed home from work to avoid spreading the virus to others. Stomachache. Pain or discomfort in the stomach or abdominal area, often caused by digestive problems or illness. Example: the person had a stomachache after eating spicy food, so they drank ginger tea to help soothe their stomach. Fever. A temporary increase in body temperature, often a sign of infection or illness. Example: the person had a fever and took over-the-counter medication to reduce their temperature and relieve their symptoms. Snake bite. A wound caused by the venomous bite of a snake, which can be life-threatening if not treated promptly. Example: the person was bitten by a snake and went to the hospital to receive antivenom treatment. 100 common diseases in English. Cancer, diabetes, flu, COVID-19, Alzheimer's disease, heart disease, stroke, depression, HIV or AIDS, malaria, tuberculosis, asthma, arthritis, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, hepatitis, measles, mumps, rubella, chickenpox, SARS, Lyme disease, chlamydia.